One more try, you'll be good to go. What's the next thing you try? Move a little bit left, right? What's the next you try?
Yeah.
That'll be 9, 10, 11, right?
Yeah.
The way that I guess, is that making sense to you? The way that I guess, I probably guess 1, 2, 3. I want to make it a little bit huge. I probably tried 4, 5, 6. That's more common for me. And then I move to this, and then I move a little bit 1. I minus 1 each time, right? To try. This one is working this time. Does it make sense? What's 9 plus 10 plus 11?
9 plus 10 what?
9 plus 10 plus 11. Wait, that's why they call sum, right? Every time we try sum, see whether it's 30, right? Does it make sense? So I'm going to try 9 plus 10 plus 11 is what? What's 9 plus 10 plus 11?
9 plus 10 plus 11. 30.
Yeah, that's 30, right? Bingo. That's which means finally we got the 3, right? We don't have to be worried because that's the only requirement. I satisfy first is consecutive, and the second is the sum is 30. That's the only requirement they ask. It's all in that sentence, right? Or we can take 2 requirements.
Yeah.
So which one is the largest number? 9, 10, 11. Which one is the largest?
11.
11, right? So I should choose A, right?
Oh, yeah.
Does that make sense?
Yeah.
And next one. How about this 4? Which one you choose? This is question 4.
Question 4, I picked B.
B. Hey, I love the way that you do it with 16. You're using the formula, right?
Yeah.
The 2 little umbrella becomes the 1 big umbrella. Yeah, 2 times 8, which is, sure, 16. Square root of 16. But why square root of 10?
Because A plus 3.
A plus 3. A plus 3. Wait, no. I think if you finish with square root of 2 times square root of 8, the rest of it should be the constant number of times together, right? Should be 5 times 3.
Yeah.
Does it make sense?
Yeah.
Oh, otherwise you time the 5 to that. Oh, did you somehow get in this in here? And that's a no, because, oh God, I swallowed something. That's done.
Yeah.
Okay. Anyway, it's not getting there because you both have to have that square root. See? You have the square root, you also have the square root. If you only one of them have a square root, you're not getting that. Does that make sense? Does that make sense? Which means square root 2 can only be dealing with this formula with square root 8 because you both have square root. That 5 doesn't really have square root, so you can't really do it with that. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
It's kind of like square root only deal with square root in this formula, right? Square root only deal with the other square root and also make another huge square root, right? So basically they're all square root. That's why they have a principle, a law or something, right? And all the other thing is called constant number, right? This is a constant number. This is not the, well, how to say that? Well, I can categorize them into, they're not square root, right? So, because all the relationship is multiplication, right? So it's just 5 times 3 times square root of 2 times square root of 8, right? So this one, as you said, is square root of 16, right? So this is what? 15, right? Is it 15?
Yeah.
So that'll be 15 times that. Square root of 16 is what? What's
Square root of 16?
Yeah, what's square root of 16?
4.
Yeah, 4, right? So instead of square root of 16, I'll write 4, right? 15 times 4 then. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Okay, so that's why it's 60, right? Does it make sense a little?
Yeah.
Okay, it's making sense a little. So let me categorize this. Let me simplify. Well, if I summarize, I can say saying square root times square root. Does it make any sense?
Yeah.
Square root. And the other section is all of them is still multiplication. All of them is the other one is not square root, right? Does it make sense? 5 times 3
Yeah.
is not square root, right?
Yeah.
Just change the order, time the square root thing altogether, and time the not square root number altogether, and then do the multiplication, right? Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Now this one is really getting lucky. It's all integer in the end. So this is a 4. That's a 5. Wait, 15. Does that make sense? 4?
Yeah.
Do you think I get it next time? A
Yeah.
little difficult, this one. This is, I think this is as good as SAT level. You see this kind of question as SAT too. Sadly, they're both in ISEE and SAT. Now, let's go. Let me make a new formula to see whether this is making sense to you. It's just kind of like this. This time I'm gonna change into another set of variable A, B, C, D, or like I'm not using this anymore. Let's just say pretend it's A square root of B times C square root of D. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
And I'm gonna make A times square root of B times C times square root of D, right? So I can change the order
Yeah.
then. So then there'll be AC, all the not square root number timed together, right? And time
Yeah.
the square root of BD. Does that make sense? Can I
Yeah.
say this is kind of like a formula? Maybe? Okay?
Yeah.
Yeah. Maybe you should, is there a note that I can write down this? It's kind of like that. Just make kind of two different categories and
Yeah.
multiply them by themselves and then do the multiplication together finally. Okay, that's it for this question. Let's see. Wait, I should go to the website. Okay, here. Wait, you choose C for this one?
Yeah. Wait, I picked. Wait, number 1?
Yeah, number 1, right? Is this question? Is this the question?
Yeah, I picked D.
Oh, you picked D. Okay, good. Next one.
Uh, I picked B for next one.
Right. 3. Question 3.
Oh, question 3, I got B.
Right. Question 4. What's your question 4?
Question 4. Hold on, let me check. D.
D. The second one, right? This one?
What? No, I picked D.
Oh, I picked D. Okay, 31. Oh, it's all good. Nice. Next one. Number 5.
Oh, number 5, I picked
Number 5.
C.
Right. Number 6.
Number 6, I picked C.
Right. Ah, very nice.
I might like in
This
the back I get most of them wrong. I got B.
no, you got all of them right. Great.
I know, but then like further in the back I might get a lot wrong.
Further in the back. Oh, about this? Yeah. Okay. But well, there is a little new knowledge in probability. So we're gonna get that. So with the probability, it doesn't count because you're not learning that yet. So I'm waiting for you to get the steady 80%. Okay, this one is B. Very nice. Next one.
I got
Question.
D for the next D.
Yes. Yes. Nice. 9. Question 9.
9, I got A.
A. Okay, let's take a look at A. Oh, 9, 8, 9 and 10 are very close. Okay. Do you remember how you get A?
Yeah. Well, actually, I don't know.
That kind of close, right? A and B are really close. One is 9, the other one is 10. I actually
Yeah.
choose B, but I didn't take a look at 9. If you ask me about 9, I should hesitate for a second. Let's do a very close one, not a very accurate approximation to guess to finally nail with A and B. So that one become 90, right? Make it a little bit larger, right? That
Yeah.
one approximate also into 90, right? Make it a little bit less. So a little bit larger, a little bit less, probably balance a little bit, right? Not exactly though, but so that'll be 8100, right? Does that make sense?
Yeah.
So 8100 over 800. So that divided by 100, right? It can be simplified, right?
Yeah.
And so it's 81 over 8, right? Does that make sense?
Yeah.
So what's 81 over 8?
81 over 8.
I believe it's 10 and 1 over 8, right?
Yeah.
So 8 is 1. Oh, I can do the series division. 8 and 0 and 1 and 0 and 0. Well, at least 1. So it's a little bit more than 10, right?
Yeah.
So I probably choose B. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
But let's, because 8, 9 is also close. Out of, how did you choose 9? Do you remember?
I'm not sure.
But you also do approximation, right?
Yeah.
I think this should be the question we really get the answer. Because even if we have questions, this is not that difficult. We can do the series calculation anyway, right? It's a little dull, but we can do it, right? Saying is
Yeah.
98 multiplied by 81, 91 is 89, right? Oh, that is
Yeah.
difficult. 9 is 81, right? And 72, right? 8 times 9 is 72. And 72 plus 8 is 80, right? So that's 8099, right? Does that make sense?
Yeah.
So 8099, right? Does that make sense?
Yeah.
So it's 8100. It's very close, right? Does that make sense? See? We're guessing it's 8100, right? And the actual one is, there's only one is missing, right? It's good approximation, right? Does that make
Yeah.
sense? So I don't have to worry about 9 that much, right? I think I can safely
Yeah.
choose as 10, right?
Yeah.
Because 800 is still, we don't do any approximate there. It's 800 anyway.
Yeah.
A little more than 10, right?
Yeah.
That's that's our first mistake in the new section. Okay, next one, 10. Question 10. Okay, let
Oh
me
my
say
God.
one more thing about a question 9. This is the friend we shouldn't lose, right? 9 is
Yeah.
approximation. If you have hesitation between 9 and 10, you can do some serious, just use 1 minute to do the calculation, right? Does that
Yeah.
make sense?
Yeah.
Okay, 10. What's your question for 10? What's your answer for 10?
I got A.
Yes, very nice. 11.
Let me check. I got B.
Yes, B it is. 12?
I pick C for 12.
Great. Ooh, very nice. I hesitate for 12. So you have no problem with 12, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let me flip the page.
13?
I picked C.
C?
C.
Okay. So you know the shaded region is using the big square, 36, minus either C or D, right?
Yeah.
But to minus the circle area, right?
Yeah.
The circle area, oh, they tell us area pi r squared, right?
Yeah.
R is what for this circle? What's the radius for this circle? R is
What's up?
radius, right?
What?
What's the radius R in here?
Readers are?
Wait, what's R in here?
I forgot.
Remember what's R?
Yeah.
So what's R in here? In this?
I'm not sure.
Well, that's the circle, right? Normally the key information either is pi, right? The mysterious pi,
Yeah.
or the other one that's important is how big is the circle is normally the radius, right? From the center to the circle, right?
Yeah.
That's
Wait, is it
R,
number
right?
13? Or is
Yeah,
that?
this is number 13.
Oh, okay.
It's R, right? That's R, right?
Yeah.
Does that make sense? What's R? Can you read it from the graphing? See, this is the center, right? And
Yeah.
that is,
Radius?
yeah, there it is.
I'm so good at this.
So what's this?
Like the radius.
Can you count? You can just zoom in and count. See? Ooh, when I zoom in, I have to
Oh.
redraw it. Sorry, that doesn't really look. That doesn't make. Okay, nice. This is the one, right?
Yeah.
But that's 6
Not 4.
centimeter, right? Wait, why is it 4? Oh, it is. Wait, I think it was wrong. 6. Okay, that's 6, which means oh, you mean the totally is 6, right? The diameter is 6, right?
Yeah.
Wait, why do I content the wrong? When I zoom in, do I change it? I don't think so. That's the center. Oh, there are 6 of them. Wait, let me not zoom in anymore. That looks dangerous move. That's 1. That's a 4. Yeah, that's a 4, sure. Although that's a 4, but it's not 4 because this whole thing is a 6, right? Let me get the whole thing.
Yeah.
This entire thing is 6, right?
Yeah.
The
Oh, so
entire thing is a
3?
diameter. It's a 3, right? When I say count how many of the little square, yeah, that was a wrong move. I should just use 6 divided by 2, right? I
Yeah.
probably should copy the 6 and make it in here. It's also a 6 and divide it in half, which is the 3, right? So pi 3 square, right?
Yeah.
Which is a 9, right? Does that make sense?
Yeah. Wait, what app are you using?
I mean, this is a website.
Yeah, like what is that
It's the
called?
ISEE practice test. It's a good one, but well, since I didn't pay, I'm only allowed with one test. That's a good test. That's a good
Wait,
website.
is it the like upper level or middle level or lower level
Middle. This is the
that
middle
you
level.
use?
This is the middle level.
Oh,
Does it make
okay.
sense?
Yeah.
So I should choose D, right?
Yeah.
2 pi r. Do you remember how you should see? Are you using 2 pi r? If you use 2 pi r, it's this one. So 2 pi times 3, and that's a 6 pi, right? But
Yeah.
that's parameter. So they're not asking parameter. They're asking area thing, right? The
Yeah.
square area minus that circle area. Does that make sense now?
Yeah.
Did you by any chance to get parameter? Huh? Is that how you did it for C?
Mm, for C, yeah.
Yeah, probably, right? So this is the thing. Whenever we talk about C, I mean talk about circle, 2 pi r and pi
But
r
then
squared.
I thought, wait, I don't think I said C though.
Oh, which one you choose? This one.
I think I said D.
You also choose D for this one?
D.
Your answer sheet says you choose D?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, then so far we only make one mistake, right? Is it? This is on the
Yeah.
second one. We only make one. That's good. Very nice. Because I think this is the time we pick a little confidence. This is the little real level kind of. Okay. Somehow it's up and down, but what's the 14?
Yeah. I got A.
Okay, it is 15.
15, let me see. Oh yeah, I got C.
Good.
Next.
16.
Got let
16.
me check. C.
C. Ooh, they
Oh
said
man.
C. Let's take do you remember? Maybe you can read this.
On the map, 4 centimeters equal 100 kilometers. If two cities are 10 centimeters apart on the map, what is their actual distance apart?
Ratio table, right? This is the scale, right? I loved this when I
Yeah.
was little. Like the map in the real universe. Because we never get to travel. The map is sometimes, although I'm really bad at reading the map, but I actually like geology and also the scale of this. So it's a 4 centimeter and equals to 100 kilometers, right? Are you using a ratio table? How did you do it? Do you remember? I didn't use the ratio table before, but I'm using ratio table since I started teaching SAT after one student. She really likes the ratio table. Do you know how to do that? Ratio table? How did you do this? There's more than one way. And now it's 10 centimeters, right?
Yeah.
And what's the actual distance? This one, right? Oh, I
Yeah.
can make it right. It's actual distance, right? And this is distance on the map, right?
Yeah.
So what's it? X gonna be? Is it okay if I write ratio table like this? You know how to do it? Scale of the map. They must have a ratio table, right?
Yeah.
So what's gonna be the equation?
I'm not sure. Cross multiply.
Um, do you want to use ratio table for this? I have other
Yeah.
ways to solve this. Do you like ratio table to solve this?
Uh-huh.
You like it? And we can
Uh-huh.
use this. Ratio table, then it's called ratio table. Then we make a ratio, right? Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Row 1, right? This is row 1. So I make row 1 the ratio in order. Left to right and top to bottom, right? 4 over 100. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
And row 2, I'm going to make my second ratio, which is 10 over x, right?
Uh-huh.
Is this equation making sense to you?
Yeah.
So you're okay with ratio table, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so how to solve this?
You have to 100 times 10 and divide it by
Yeah,
4. Mhm.
very nice. Divided by 4. 100 divided by 4 is what? I mean,
100
1,000.
divided
1,000, sorry, 1,000 divided by 4.
250?
Yeah, PD, right? You should choose B.
Yeah.
Do you remember how you choose C?
No.
Mm. Maybe you use 4 times that 100, right? It's got ratio table. We should find the ratio, right? That's why it kind of reflects the real actual world a little bit. Does it make sense? Because the scale is the same, right? That's why it's kind of like you have a what? It's like the little figure of some star that you like, right? Or like Iron Man. Oh, similar size, right? Not similar size, similar ratio. Does that make sense? The ratio is going to be the same. If you can
Yeah.
get it, if it's a scale of math problem, you make that original. Normally, this is what the scale they give you, right? And then they give you
Yeah.
the actual. Either is the actual one they give you, or either is the distance in the map, right?
Yeah.
And then you make the ratio, right? You make two ratio, let them equal with each other, right? Does it make sense?
Mm-hmm.
You can get it next time. Can you get it?
Mm-hmm.
Hmm. Hmm. Next one. 17. What's the answer for
Wait,
17?
wait for 17?
Yeah.
Oh, I picked A.
Hey. Okay. Let's see. Do you remember this one? Do you remember the
No.
question?
I forgot how to do this one.
Hmm. It's like this a scatter plot. Normally, we definitely have to draw that straight line, right? According to this, it's kind of like there's a right prediction tendencies and y's. I'm drawing a line and make all the dots distributed like evenly, right? Does it make sense?
Yeah.
It doesn't have to be that accurate, right? We're gonna have a formula in the
Yeah.
future which make it more kind of maybe it's like that, right? Half up, half down,
Yeah.
right? So and then they ask, what's 1,000 feet square home? That's 1,000, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, 1,000. And what's the cost? That's the prediction that we make, right? Actually, it's wrong. What do you know? Give that, I have to choose D. I guess I have to choose it. I have to draw it carefully. Let me make me in a better position. Hmm. If it's a real test, I have to use a pen or ruler, right?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna make this one, and I'm gonna adjust the angle, make sure all the dots is distributed evenly. Hmm.
Oh.
If I do it like this,
Yeah.
I think this size is a little too much. Does it make sense?
Ah.
Too many points on the lower side on this section. Does it make sense? So I have to adjust this one. Does it make sense?
Yeah.
Which means I have to adjust less points in there. More points in the upper level. Right? Before it's more like this, right? And now it's more like
Yeah.
this. Which one do you feel is better? So I have 4 points in here, which is not far.
Maybe the one on top.
And if I have 4, the one on top? Wow.
Yeah.
If it is the one that on top, then you have to choose D, right? 1000 is gonna be, 1000 is gonna be 100,000. Hmm. Did you print this one? No?
No. I mean, yes.
Oh. Can you make a ruler to draw it and see which points are let's 3 straight lines and see which one fits better with the scatter plot?
I did the bottom one.
Oh, if it is bottom one, we choose C, right?
Yeah.
Hmm. This is all at the same level, kind of.
Wait, hold on. What was number 16 again?
15. Okay. B, right?
Oh, yeah. I was just like making sure because like
Oh, okay. Let me get my pen.
I can't find my Apple Pencil.
Oh, really? Well, I
Yeah.
almost lose hope on that one. Do you have it? I have a pencil? So you can check whether you can draw it or not.
I
Let me
don't
find a
have it.
ruler anyway. Let me get a book because my pen is not large enough.
Oh.
Oh, I should find a plastic one so I can see, make sure I can see through and I can see the
S
points
and
in there.
R.
Hmm? No, that's not good. I really need a. Oh, I have one. It's something else I don't want to take it. Let me just draw 3 lines so I can do better. One's more like this. Only making it
I got
visible
new
on 6.
headphones today.
You know what? Headphone?
I got new headphones today.
Is it good? Does it
I don't
sound good?
know.
I only normally use the one headphone with the thinger that I like. Hmm. My
I'm
wife
gonna put
hated.
on my headphones and see if it works see if I can use it while having class.
Okay. Oh, mine is I use it in class. It doesn't really work well because sometimes it's using that Bluetooth. It's not working well at some moment. Like give that one up. If I do it like this. Hmm.
It works.
Work? Okay.
Yeah, I'm wearing the headphones right now and like yeah.
Hey, I'm using the bottom one, this line. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
If I use this one to choose D, if I use this one, the problem is all of them are very close. See, all of them are very close. Does that make sense? Close to the line, to this line number 1. I'm choosing line number 2 because the line number 1, you see, all the one is very close to that straight line, right? And this one is a little further, and all the other one is actually way further away from that line number 1, right? Does that make sense? I'm just saying all
Yeah.
these points are too much further away from that straight line. So I'm giving up line number 1. Does that make sense? So since it's a little too far away from that one, so I'm changing it to a little less slope. Does that make sense? So it's
Yeah.
closer to all this point, right? So I have it's
Yeah.
closer. Okay. Well, I think that's okay. My line number 2 is gonna like this probably. So this
What are
point, this
you
point.
doing? Why is this so weird?
Hmm. Does it feel like it's evenly distributed now?
Yeah, but
I mean,
like
a little bit
every
better.
time I say something, it's like late. Like if I were to say hi, it would say hi after 10 seconds for me.
Really? About the headphone?
Yeah.
Oh, wait. Why I don't feel any difference?
I don't know because like I'm talking, but then it's like projected later.
Hmm. Yeah, that's why I never really use headphone. Maybe one of the reasons. For me, it's sometimes it's at some moment of the class, it just have something. So I give that a note. Also, it's also easy to get broken. Earphone, well, they never get broke. I mean, almost. So I can choose C, right? If this is my scatter plot, I can choose C, right? Hello. Oh, it's the white one that it look like. Hey.
I'm so laggy.
Oh, laggy.
Yeah.
I think my signal is okay for the moment.
We move on to number 18.
Yeah. What's number 18?
Uh, um, let me check. Oh wait, hold on. Which page is it on again? Hold on. Let me. I got. Oh, there it is. I got C.
Oh, good. Hey, I thought this one you haven't learned. Complementary event. You learn it?
I know how to do this one.
Okay, good. Complementary means two together is gonna be form the whole unit, right? The whole everything basically. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
So that's
Yeah.
why it's the green and combined with the red and the blue, right? So that's the complete one, and then that's the well for me when I learn it, I call the rest of that. It's the same thing, right? The
Yeah.
rest of it, right? Okay, good. If you know this one, that's we're actually using probability on this one. Do you know that? For example,
Yeah.
if it's like the probability of raining is saying is 0.2, and I say the probability of not raining, which is the complementary event, which is 0.8, right? One minus that, right? Does that make sense?
Yeah.
You sent me something. Oh, you have a long day, summer school.
Yeah. I'm still doing really good on summer school. I'm doing Algebra 1 now.
Okay, very nice. Good. I like it when we do like a SSAT or ISEE. Suddenly, after a while, you guys feel better in school, right?
Yeah.
Because normally when we do SSAT or ISEE, it's more difficult. And after you adjust to this level, you can feel better in school. That's good. Okay, next
If we
one.
don't finish class soon, this buff ducky is gonna eat you.
Really? I'm gonna use 19.
Oh, 19, I got
Yes.
B.
20?
And 20, I got A.
Great.
And 21, I also got A.
Ooh, let's see. Wait, that's a pity. You are good with like a cross product these days. This is a cross product, right?
Wait, hold on. Yeah, but then, like, how did I get that one wrong?
Yeah,
I
I
was
should use
actually doing it.
24 times 14 divided by 21,
Wait, hold
right?
on, hold on, hold.
Yeah,
I can write.
yeah. Ooh, very nice. Wow, what a day.
$336. Oh, what about 21?
Two,
Okay, how do I? Oh,
yeah? That's a 6 there, right?
yeah.
That's a pity, right? Now this is the second question I got wrong. Nice. This one also have, I think originally they designed to simplify it. For example, is 24 times 14 and divided over 21, right? I
Yeah.
can I can get rid of the common like factor. I think it's 7. This one is divided by 7, right? 37. And this one also divided by 7. Okay? This one is becoming a 2, right?
Yeah.
So this one is becoming a 3. So what's left is 24 times 2 over 3. So that's an 8. So that's also a 16, right? Doing it?
Yeah.
Which means simplifying with the common factor, right? So 21 is 3 times 7, right? Yeah, we work so
Yeah.
hard to remember that the multiplication table, right? That's the time that we can use. Okay.
Yeah.
Hey, you're gonna see this kind of stuff when you learn physics. Wait,
Physics? I don't
sorry.
want to learn physics.
Oh, well, let's just say you can enjoy magnetic field and electric field without physics. It's just invisible energy and field in there to make
Okay.
beautiful pattern. But that's how we use pi.
Yay.
Although we have electric field or something related to electricity or electrical force or something connect with magnets, the force. Yeah, that also involves with pi. Okay, next
Oh
one,
yeah, guess
22.
what?
Yeah,
Hold on. So, I learned a new way to memorize pi.
really. Is there a way to learn it?
Yeah, now there's a way because somebody created something.
Really? Wait, is that actually true?
Yeah.
It's not a stand, right? But it's a well, it's if it's an accurate stand, that's also okay.
So
Yeah.
this is how it goes. It's a song to memorize pi. Three point
Oh,
one four one five nine two six five 358
wow.
9793238462643
Ooh.
3A3278 oh shoot 7950288419712 I mean 693993751 zero five
Ooh.
eight two zero nine seven four nine four four five nine 2307 816406286
Ah,
It's
wow,
really
make a
silly.
song.
But
Well,
then
you
now
gotta
I
love
listen
math
to it
and
trying to
songs.
memorize.
Yeah, but for you, you will remember it.
3.1.
So somehow this is something that I read in a book saying songs also is mysterious. In a way, it's mysterious. Math is mysterious. You can combine them with beautiful philosophy and theology, probably. So yeah, it's all in a level connected. Well, that's good. You love song, you love math. Also, pi involved with physics a lot. Okay,
Number
next
4, 1,
one.
5, 9.
Wow,
It's really silly how it starts with 3.14159.
Hey, is that the music, or
Yes,
like a sound of
5.
music, that movie?
Yeah, it is, but then like it
Right?
turned it into pi.
Yeah.
Someone turned
God,
the
that's a
the song
such
and put
movie.
pi numbers in it. It's supposed to help you memorize 100 digits of pi, apparently.
Oh, wow. Well, the original movie is, I think, that Do Re Mi thing is already fun. Well, you can make it a pi. Okay, anyway, this is probably the time that we should know this kind of cross product. It's better to combine with what? Simplifying with a common factor, right?
Yeah,
Stop for a second to see whether there is a common factor, right? Then do the
yeah,
division, right? Let's see, I really want to do
yeah.
it. Next one,
2
22.
over 3, 2 over 3. Dun, 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 dun. 27.
I mean 22. 22.
Oh, I heard you say 27 and I got jump scared.
Oh, no, no. 22.
I'm yawning. I don't know why. I'm so tired.
From summer school or pie memory? Um,
I picked
you pick what?
the.
Ooh, oh, this one is slope. Here's
How is
one.
it A, bro? That's so mean.
Hmm. This is our
Hold up, wait a
this is the
again.
third
Hold up,
mistake that
hold
I
up.
made.
I
Let me
do
see.
it.
Remember straight line slope, we like y equals to mx plus b, right? And then we can know m is slope, right?
Yeah,
So we have to transform this form into that form, right? Make sure x is all on the right, right? So we're gonna move x, right?
yeah,
Move it to the right. So negative 7y equals to negative 4x plus negative 14, right?
yeah,
And then saying, so x is on the right side, y coefficient always 1, right? So divided by 7, right? Does that make sense? Negative 7, actually, right? Does it make sense? I want y
yeah,
have the coefficient 1, so I divide it by negative 7. By negative 7, right? Wait, negative 7. So that's 1. And so every term I have to divide it by negative 7, right? Negative 4x divided by negative 7. And plus negative 14 over negative 7, right? Does that make sense?
oh, yeah,
So this one, since I don't want to know the rest of it, so I can only focus on here. So the first term is going to be 4 over 7x, right?
yeah,
Does it make sense? So now it's y equals to 4 over 7x plus some constant number. I don't care that constant number now. Because they only ask me the slope, right? Isn't this the slope then?
mm.
Which one you choose? You choose B?
Uh,
Which one you
I don't
choose?
know. I picked C.
C is the thing that you really have to make into the y equals to mx plus b form. Does it make sense? Only in that
Yeah,
form. When x is all on the right, when all constant number are all on the right, when the coefficient of y is really 1, right? So for your c is like a 7y equals to 4x plus 14. But that one is not m. You really have to make that 7 go away, right? Becoming 1, actually, not go away. Just make that 7
yeah,
becoming 1 divided by 7, divided by 7, right? See, divided by 7. Does that make sense?
yeah.
So that's why it's 4 or 7, right? Does that make sense now?
Yeah.
So, what should we remember about this? Should I be careful? Make sure all x on the right? And make sure the coefficient and all constant number on the right? And make sure all the coefficient y is really becoming 1, right? Y is 1 times y, right? Does that make
Yeah.
sense? Okay. So this is the slope. You think you can get it?
Yeah.
The slope kind of is
Yeah.
it's kind of important, right? They come now and then, right? Popular question. Okay, what's next? 23?
Oh,
Yeah, right. 3.
23.
Yeah.
Uh,
Oh, I'm gonna write 22.
uh,
What's 23?
hold on, let me check. I fixed the.
See? Oh, this one is a little difficult. And this one involves multiplication law, which we haven't talked about for such a while. Do you remember this question, or maybe you have to rate it? Do you have to rate it?
No.
Okay, so you have 4 pairs of pants, 6 shirts, 2 pair of shoes, 1 favorite pair of pants, 1 favorite shirt, 1 favorite pair of shoes. You select randomly without fit. Favorite pants, favorite shirt, favorite. So this is the thing. What are the odds of getting a favorite pants if he choose pants? 1 over 4, right? Is it?
Yeah.
You have 4. So 1 over 4 pants. Favorite pants.
Uh-huh.
And what's the favorite? What's the odds of like you choosing a favorite shirt? 1 of 6, right? Probably the favorite shirts. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
And then its favorite shoes is 1 over 2, right? You have 2 pair. You get to choose 1. What the odds is 1
Yeah.
over 2, right? And now think, I want to get them all, right? Does that
Yeah.
make sense? So it's using multiplication of 1 over 4 times 1 over 6 times 1 over 2. Do you remember this a little? No? We've got
Not
multiplication
really.
law. Then I can talk about this a little. Multiplication, why we use it is first, say now I only have to choose pants and shirts. So I'm going to say how many combinations you have. I think it's 4 times 6. Do you remember? Do you know? 4 times
Yeah.
6 is I have 24 combination. And that's why sometimes for some people it's very difficult to choose which one what to wear, right? Because there are so many combinations. Does it mean if a person only have 4 pants and 4 pair of pants and 6 shirts, there's even 24 combinations. 24, which one I should choose, right? Does that make sense?
Yeah.
And then if it is 2 pair of shoes, I have to time 24 times 2. Does that make sense? 48
Oh.
then. Because just remember, you
Uh.
have 24 chances, 24 different choices, and then you have 2 different choices with pair of shoes. So 24 times 2.
Yeah.
Again, using multiplication law. Does it make sense?
Yeah.
In this kind of way, multiplication law is working for you, right? Is it making sense?
Yeah.
Yeah. So now there are 48 combination, right? Does that make sense?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4. 48 combination. There's only one with favorite pair of pants, favorite pair of shoes, and favorite shirt. So the
Yeah.
total So the number is like the total, which is 48. And this is the special, which is
Yeah.
only 1. So that's why it's 1 over 48. Does it make sense? Does it make sense, Toledo? 1, favorite paints, favorite shoes, favorite shirts. Because all of them is only have only 1, right? Only 1, right?
Yeah.
So it's 1 over 48. Does it make sense? If that's working, so if this you think is working, then let's go back to the 1 over 4 is the probability of you have a favorite pair of pants. And 1 over 6 is the odds of favorite shirts. 1 over 2 is the odds of favorite shoes. So since multiplication law is working for you, so can I use the probability is also going to say yes to multiplication law. Does it make sense?
Yeah.
Okay. So I can just use 1 over 4 times 1 over 6 times 1 over 2, which is 1 over 48 anyway. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
So there are two kinds of multiplication law. Does it make sense? So it takes normally how many steps? Like how many different methods for one step? This step 1, right, is choosing the pair of pants. Step 2 is choosing the shirts, right? And step 3 is choosing the shoes, right? Does that make sense?
Yeah.
I can use 4 times 6 times 2. Or I can use 1 over 4 times 1 over 6 times 1 over 2, right? This is the probability. Do that again. Can you try to remember this example? So if you have similar one, you can use this. Find the probability of each one and then time it. Make multiplication of the probability. It's kind of like a P1 times P2 times P3 equals to P of all of 1, 2, 3 all happening. Step 1, favorite pants happening. Step 2, favorite shirt happening. Step 3, favorite shoes happening. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
So this is a multiplication law, which means you multiply, right? Does it make sense? Define probability and multiply it. Hopefully I'm making sense. I'm actually skipping a little bit. 23. That's the 23. Okay. 23 is the number 4. Next one. What's your question for next one? 24. What do you choose for 24?
When is class over?
1 minute to go.
Oh.
24.
Oh,
That's it for 24. Wait, it's already wait, it's actually already the time.
Oh.
Oh, right. Sorry, I just got confused with the other. What's your 24 question? Do you know?
Oh. Oh yeah, I also got B.
Great. So 24. We still make 4 mistakes. 24.
Got
So
20
20
correct.
over 24. Let me get it. Let me get my calculator. 20 over 24. Oh, I can use simplify. I can divide it by 4, which is 5, and 4 is 6. 5 divided by 6. 83.
5 divided by
83. Fraction rate is 83. Okay, that's kind of good. Okay, that's it. Oh, there is one exception, kind of. The multiplication law, we haven't talked about that in such a long time. So try to remember multiplication law of probability. Just time it. Does that make sense? There's a time that the probability should add it, and there's a time probability should be make multiplication. Just remember this: pants, shoes. What's the other thing? Pants, shoes, shirts combination make multiplication, right? Does that make sense? That's it.
Yeah.
Okay, you can go and have a rest.
Goodbye.
Bye. 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 Oh, thank you for that song.